Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. Ezuku Chukwudi Anunku be there inside studio, and we dey discuss this very important issue when they affect everybody inside Obodo Nigeria. Budget padding, the one when Oga President talk say heads go roll. Oga President dey for faraway Riyadh for Saudi Arabia on top of official visit, and then when he meet with Nigerians when they live inside Saudi Arabia, he follow them discuss the 2016 budget, and he talk am say when they prepare the budget, the minister when prepare the budget, he see say the man lose plenty weight because the man no dey sleep. He just they write until they submit the budget. But he be like say some kind bad people when they take advantage of the fact say then they inside government and then go do that thing. He can't promise. He no using finger touch sand because he know they do that kind of thing. He promise say heads go roll for this particular matter.
But the last statement when he make abroad, he talk say you also come and talk say somehow, Mr. President talk say this one saying go address it.
Which of the statement? Please be precise.
I don't want to remind you.
Don't remind me because you just this is you are padding the conversation. You don't say yes. If you know the one when I talk am say I talk am. No, talk am here. Talk am here.
May I talk am here? No worry.
You are padding. You see your head will roll.
No, don't worry.
Your head will roll. Because I know when Nigerians begin to call, your head will roll.
Please, Chukudi, let's move on.
Don't tell me to move on.
Let us move
when
on.
I talk something finish, you can't accuse me for
the major thing we say we don't get lots of callers. And they don't also react. The thing is, one of the few things where I read about this thing, about this particular matter, in a country where we say abject poverty day, in a country where we say things they very, very tight, in a country where we say we actually look out for people who go fit to come and talk, at least collectively do a thing, do address the issue of this country, address them well, then this kind of thing can they play out. Then that also tell us that yes, we never really learn from our past. We get a caller right now. Obinna, they call us from Alaba. Good morning, Obinna.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, my brother, I really thank you for this kind of program.
Thank you very much, Oga Obinna.
Yeah, I like as the thing they hot. My brother, the thing they hot. My brother, tell the truth. What I want to contribute is say, they like the person we talk before the last person. Yeah? I want action. Not to say head go roll. Which day head go roll? So we need action. Those people who don't put hand for that bad things, we need to destroy them. That is my own contribution. We need to put them life imprisonment so that others will take correction. I hope you hear me say.
We hear you, Oga Obinna from Alaba. Yes. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. I beg tell our brothers and sisters that when they for Alaba, say when they watch this program so that they go they talk and everybody inside Obodo Nigeria go know as the thing they go. We get Janet. She they call us all the way from Ajegule. Janet, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning, Janet.
And I never noticed for this country, say every government income will get one story when you go. And you never notice again, so only when our dear president, go abroad, now you go to shout everything he's supposed to do. You say somebody swear right budget. You when be our chief accounting officer, you know read them. Because now we go to hear cabal, say cabal, not say. Every day now we have Sawusa hold that guy, people that they can kill. This is wrong. We not be mumu again, no. But Mali say you can fool the people sometimes, but you cannot fool the people all the time. One day they will sit like and stand up for their rights. This mumu when they call us don't do now. Maybe your papa they ask, you say your mama do budget, your mama carry and come up for window. Who made the house? It's an sort of the full loss. So I not believe in all this. Head roll, head no go roll. Tomorrow now they go find one place, gather all of themselves. It's just politicking and it's wickedness. But anybody in the wicked people will not get anybody better than get God though. God
Janet,
for this Nigeria.
thank you very much for this your important contribution. The thing really shows say the matter they pay you well. So you even quote Bob Marley, can't top him up with spiritual backing. It go there very, very important. Like our callers, they don't talk, say, make it not just be about, say, rhetoric, that is just mouth, say, head go roll. Then at the head, if like say the head, they'll call the big more, call the be like, say, the thing can increase. And some people don't raise the point, say, why he be, say, when Oga President inside Nigeria, you know they talk like they talk, but when he come out, he go talk. Shana say, he won't go, they tell them for them, then they get hope, but we will inside here, we don't see as things they go. Because Oga President don't do this country for some time now, when we say, about this budget when we no hear any official statement as regards the budget.
Yes.
The only one we just hear na say the Minister of Health come out talk say wetin dey inside no be wetin input. Some other ministers talk say typographical error. Some talk say e no reach that amount. But Oga President bin no talk anything officially. But as he no come out enter Saudi Arabia, he come talk. Now e go dey very very important. Just like our visitor talk yesterday, say communication between those when the government and the people. If e dey open, everybody go understand. Everybody go fit see. No be for us to come dey do permutation. They get say e be like say na this thing government wan more believe on like this the thing be. And the issue of trust when they talk about be that.
And the issue and that okay, we'll get Austin. Austin they call us from Makurdi. Good morning, Austin.
Good morning, Dr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Chukwudi, good morning. How are you?
I greet you, Oga Austin.
The thing where I want to talk is advise the president, but make a stop to the full Nigerians. When he was sworn in on the 29th day of May 2015, he told Nigerians that he needed time so that he will select people with credible characters, ministers that will work with him, that will present a very good thing for Nigerians to see. He did not even allow state governors to nominate ministers for him. He spent almost 5 months, barely 4 months to select ministers. Now he's telling us, Ed Goro. Who's Ed Goro? If he wants, let him do action. Let him sack those people and bring those new ones. If you stop telling us, Ed Goro. We want action.
Thank you very much, Augustine, for that contribution. We want action. And the same way Madam Janet also talks, say, look, make the ND just give us rhetoric statement, say they will take this action. Meanwhile, behind the curtain, we don't see any action whether they carry out. And that thing, we say, a lot of statements Oga President don't make outside. We get to do with such we don't go wrong here. Normally, we expect say, okay, immediately Oga President, they come back from a trip or this trip, at least make it enter straight into
even before
action.
he come back.
No, not even on this one. He don't make a couple of statements outside about anti-corruption, fighting anti-corruption, say go deal with corruption and corrupt leaders and all that. Okay, coming back from your trip where you make that statement, at least we're supposed to say, okay, quickly, make we start to see quick result, quick at least. The same way we don't talk this one now. Not to just say you will come back. Just put this one aside because you don't even address her for home in the first place. Put this one aside, can't do it, can't probably face and that thing. Meanwhile, you don't talk them outside, say, look, say that you go need to do it, you go need to look this issue, and I sure say people will get hand inside, go do it, will suffer the punishment they will suffer. It is time we'll start addressing issues the way they should be addressed, not just saying it and just leaving it that way. This is 9 months, I've been barely 9 months into our first 4 years of Oga Prezo. But we really need to see things they work out at this stage in time because how many more this thing we get? I think let us start seeing that effectiveness. Let us start seeing that those promises we not make.
Very no,
true. They see them. We never they see them.
Very true. And it go dey important make we point out say head go roll. No be just say you pursue people come out for the position when they dey. Now to ensure say other people when go dey inside that particular position no go do that way fit do bad thing to cause more problem. We get Precious all the way from Port Harcourt, PP. Precious, welcome to As E Dey Hot. Good morning.
Good morning, Beck. This is our president, Hello?
Good day, Precious.
This is our president. Make him stop to the full person. Waiting be head go roll. If head go roll, now the ministers when you pick full for office, now their head go the road now.
Precious.
Head go roll for budget when you take 5 months, 6 months to take select ministers. Then we say this Nigeria will be full. That is everybody now mumu. We not carry cow brain though. May they not say everybody carry cow brain.
Precious, the thing they pay you.
The same voice
they pay you well, we know.
Thank you. The same voice we generate TikTok. Now Precious they also.
How many months?
Hey, Precious,
for here you talk that in finish. Make we know at least we know say yes. You get passion for the culture, and that is why you voice out your this thing as it be for they talk about.
It go also dey very good. Make we emphasize say like Precious talk, he take Oga President some time to select those wey we say go be ministers. But one thing wey we go understand, we say government they exist in continuum. That is to say, government, no closing date for government, even though power they change hands. Like for example, we get permanence for the civil service, but it go dey very very good. Make we point out say just like every other place for the world, badness they happen. Some people, because of selfish interest, they go use their office wan do some kind bad thing. You know me say everybody go be sent, and now why we dey point them out say if the fact say person comot from PDP go APC no mean say e don turn angel, or all the people wey dey PDP bad, all the people wey dey APC good. Now we as Nigerians 170 million strong voices, if we dey demand for wetin dey right, definitely they go try their best to do wetin dey right. Oga Chukwudi, the real Oga Chukwudi, they call us all the way from Owerri. Oga Chukwudi, welcome to our City Hut.
Yes, good morning, gentlemen.
Your voice is clear. You are the one.
Yes. It's like some guy Chukwudi don't call already.
Yeah, from Owerri still. One Chukwudi don't call from Owerri.
Anunkubi kind of Chukwudi.
No, it can never be my kind of Chukwudi.
Thank you very much. I'm trying to spread the message.
Right on, we dey hear Oga Chukwudi.
Hello?
We dey hear you, right on. Hey!
When the real Oga Chukwudi come, anything can happen.
What just happened,
You
Chukwudi?
can explain to us.
No.
You parted the phone call.
Why would I part the phone call?
Why will you not part the phone call?
From one of our major callers, one of our notable, well-respected callers.
Okay, explain to us how did it happen?
Not be a man sit down.
I know that you part them.
I infiltrate the call.
I know that you part them.
I said six.
When they part everything, they part budget.
So you let say I part Oga Chukwudi the call.
Una no part budget. Una no part budget.
I take get time for this budget matter.
Before election, what you do here they talk?
No, I was speaking for a cause.
A cause. Now, budget. Speak for the padded budget.
That is why I say make we talk together.
As we roll.
Because now,
as we roll.
And why you pointing at me as if my own head go down, one thing go roll? Why are you emphasizing on head roll? Just they point me. Am I involved in all these things? Why get me involved?
Why they fear?
No. The way you
did I say Nkubi's head?
The way you are pointing at me as if I just want people to prepare the budget. Okay, say good morning, Jare. Head will roll. Who said will roll?
No verse.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ogeze.
Morning.
Ogeze, good morning. We greet you.
Morning. See, what I want to say, what be padded and budget?
Thank you.
I don't understand.
Thank you.
And secondly, why are we still going back like say we started the journey today? Budget is a new thing for this country. And you see what I want to understand.
Thank you very much, Ogeze, all the way from Bonny Island. We go answer that your question because now could be that question therefore. But we go take Beatrice. She they call us from Lekki. Pardon, you are the one that will explain what pardon is. No be una part budget.
Pardon the sweet for a month pass. Good morning, Beatrice.
Good morning, my brother. God bless her now.
Thank you.
The work on do no Lagos fit on.
Thank you very much.
I want to ask person they learn to eat with left hand for old age. Number one, you carry thief. Alibaba, all of Alibaba and the 40 thieves. You carry thief, come wear a new cloth. Arm robber, you can't say no. Vote on arm robber them. Vote on arm robber. You put them as minister. It's not could believe you say you be good man. It's not could not deceive ourselves now. Chukwudi talk and say we be 170 Nigerians. I read one paper that says snakes they bite people for naught. The people say when election time come, we go know what we go do. 2019 not far. All this boo-boo when they boo-boo us. All this lie when they lie every day. Not one thing when they promise don't come to pass. NEPA bill will not fit pay. Light will not get. Water will not get. Road will not get. Every day when you travel, go abroad, they talk nonsense. New sheriff.
Madam Beatrice.
The man not be sheriff.
Madam Beatrice.
I don't see any sheriff at all.
Madam Beatrice, thank you for that contribution. Thank you. But in as much as this platform, the platform where they give anybody the right to talk, we also they beg now to make now they watch the kind of languages and the kind of things when they talk on air because
Very true.
if they refer to the number one citizen of this country and say one kind, we no go accept that one because now our president, no matter how we see him, he's our president, and for us to do it collectively join hands so that you go feel lead us well. We get Kingsley. Kingsley they call us from Kano. Good morning, Kingsley. Kingsley, good morning.
Oga Kingsley, you there?
Kingsley, good morning. You there?
Kingsley, I beg anybody who want try call us to contribute. just reduce the volume of your television or come out anywhere where your TV dey, so that if you want make other people hear you and the full Nigeria, maybe for where you dey, everybody will get the opportunity to hear you. Oga Eze talk say he wan know wetin padding be for budget, but e dey very very simple. When we talk about budget na say you outline plan, say okay, na like this I wan do am, na like this I wan spend. Then the padding na like artificial inflation. Take for example, you just look and say I wan put this particular money, maybe na 200 naira, na it go cost me to do this thing. But abeg, just put maybe 250 or 200 or 300 in case of unforeseen.
But the funny thing about this thing, this padding thing no dey in the original budget where the president approved.
Na the issue be that
6.3 trillion naira. Now Oga President approved. How come he can't switch over to 6.7 trillion naira? Where the 0.4 and this trillion naira come from? We got Oga Igbo. Oga Igbo, they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Oga Igbo. Oga Igbo, good morning.
Oga Shukudi, you man of the people, I greet you.
I greet you, Oga Igbo, all the way from Abuja.
From yesterday, I decided to call you Dr. Shukudi because I need to promote you for the truth in the Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
The controversial Okobi, I greet you. The
for
man
the
of
truth, what they also tell Nigerians.
The man when you say they talk partial truth and partial lie, I greet you. You tell us say this budget and budget of change right from time. You know the reason why all these things the big budget they miss money they go down. One of the major reasons they say during the time of the past regime, if you can't defend your budget, as you say your budget now like 6 billion, now we they approve for your budget. What you come? By the time you come, you say you expect maybe 2 billion go enter the floor. You get me 2 billion go enter the floor, say the people this money. But for this regime now, as they talk, that will happen. If not for
Oga Igbo, if you move come out from where the line on the break somehow.
You say
the line they break.
You hear me now?
Okay. Continue.
Oga Igbo, we dey hear you. It be like say the network no gree Oga Igbo to make a contribution, but we understand wetin they try talk and he don't raise in point. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as regards everything when everybody don't raise, especially the one when we say they talk about wetin be budget padding. Make we go this break, come back, no go anywhere. Welcome back to Aside Hot, on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when they inside Obodo the World, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV. And this is not the program when they discuss all the matter when they affect everybody for inside Nigeria. They break them down for language and everybody understand. Give you license to chook mouth inside. Talk them the way when the team pay you for body, so that those when the leaders go hear word, do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. Hezuku Chukudi Anunku be the inside studio and we discuss budget padding. The one when we say President Muhammadu Buhari for foreign way Saudi Arabia don't raise the voice talk say heads go roll. People they ask say these heads when go roll, shall not just ordinary talk, or after these heads roll, other heads when go constantly can't do the same thing. Shall they not go spring up again for inside government?
But sometimes when we see some of this drama play out, the question we they normally ask we say. The people who prepare this budget in the first place, say they don't know what they prepare.
Thank you very much.
You understand?
Thank you very much.
Now prepare them, now do it, now allocate all the different money to the different units of the ministry where now want spend money on top. Okay, when they do all this, now no say somehow, okay, this thing make we and well, this is supposed to chop this amount.
True.
In the end, what we got the year we say after I don't submit budget finish, maybe 0.4 from nowhere, just develop like. Waka kurukere, just enter inside like Matrix. Where we could not even talk again. We get Oga John. Oga John, they call us from Oshodi. Good morning, John. John, good morning. Oga John, you did there?
Hello. Oga John.
Did I say Oga John?
Oga John, you did there?
I did Oga Chukudi.
Nice one, Oga John.
Right on, we hear you.
I like the matter for concerning this budget issue.
Thank you very much.
In short, I don't find that say that budget issue now. Everybody feel take care of the budget. If I know say you go do it for me, I for don't contest for president for Nigeria.
So that you go just draw your own budget, Padamo.
See as things they happen now. It don't be like say everybody go just tell us what they happen for budget or what not they happen for budget. No, only time our president travel, go tell us say if he come back, head go roll. Since head never roll for over 9 months now. No single promise where we don't see where they don't fulfill. All the whole blah blah where they put for election, we go queue for inside some rain, some hammer us, we vote. Since that day till now, no difference. Ministers where you put, even many of them enter immediately where they enter. The apartment generator where poor people they use, they abandon them. What of Mikano where those rich people they bring? What do they use for federal house? They don't feel abandon. The one where poor people they use, now they ban. Minister for power now enter immediately. You want increase tariff. Crazy bill will come. No light for house. The small lights will come. At the end of the month, they will say they won't cut light. It makes sense for this Nigeria.
It don't make sense.
So we they go back and we they go front.
Now front will they seek for. Now front everybody they seek for.
You know good to make one African country come buy Nigeria the manage them.
No, Oga John, that one no go work.
That one no go.
We appreciate your important contribution and we go make you to continue to the watch as they hot. Tell your people them for show they made them watch. Because if all of us as Nigerians they speak, now be say the small people when the government they no go fit use us play Ludo. We get Aminu in they call us all the way from Abuja. Aminu, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Aminu.
Good morning, Uncle B.
Good morning. I beg Aminu, raise your voice up small, make we hear you well.
I'm calling from Abuja, Uncle B.
Okay, right on, we dey hear you.
Uncle B, I just want to put my mouth for this matter pertaining our Obodo Nigeria.
Okay.
Uncle B. This our budget matter. They don't say where they are chase Nigeria too much for this country. It's not today they are start. Now God now just open their yards for this one what they are doing so. Because I get very much surprised by the what president right and give out to the house. They are saying that's a loss. After the loss, again what will be here and an increasement of the budget. They are don't say what they are doing and our God just cast down for this type of matter.
Not true.
So Nigeria will not go free and our God will ever allow them to go free. I will never go free for this way they are doing. So this turn where they are turning up and down for Nigeria. I will never allow them to go free.
That is why we want make quick action. Follow this matter.
They bought their children. God going to follow them to go. Now what did I get to talk to that?
Thank you very much, Oga Aminu.
Thank you very much for your important contribution.
This is done too much. This is done too much. Done too much.
Oga Aminu, thank you very much. We know say the thing done too much. Now why we want to make every Nigerian they come out they talk. As the thing they too much and we they talk, our talk go past that they are too much and government go take Nigerians serious. Do waiting they very very right to move this our country forward. If we check some of the points when we say some of our callers them raise, it go dey very very important. Make we just make some things very very clear. But before we come dey dissect everything when people don't talk before we end the show, we get our ogbonge caller, ambassador of As It Dey Hot worldwide. He dey call us all the way from Amsterdam. As I call the place, everybody don't know his name. Welcome to As It Dey Hot, Oga Bobby.
Shukudi, you try hello. When you call me different titles. So you're not gonna kidnap me when I come Nigeria.
Oga Bobby, good morning.
Good morning. I agree to that too.
We agree to Oga Bobby.
Professor Ukubi.
Oga Bobby, I hear you.
They call Shukudi doctor, so I call you professor. You know.
Okay.
I think I balance equation with that one, Abi.
You don't balance.
Concerning the topic, so you know, if the president say head go roll, we go wait to see the head one go roll now. You understand? So I get confident on him. Say if he say he go head go roll. So no wait and see. Nigeria need to exercise patience. That is the most important thing when they inside, you know. It's not matter of say whether I carry thieves and criminals body before. You know, you never know who be who. Now small you you they select them and they know who get interest of you and the country, you will know them little by little. So now gradually, you know, not be one day. Rome was not built one day. So we take that step by step.
Very true.
You understand me? So we get exercise patient. That's it. That be the thing.
You know? Thank you very much for this important contribution. You don't talk about patience. Say, as Nigerians, if we force government, if we push them, make them make the mistake. As we tell them, say, make una do am, we dey watch una. We go dey very, very careful. Give them patience so that we no go rush, go do thing when we will come regret in the end. We get Oga Thank God. Oga Thank God, they call us all the way from Port Harcourt. Oga Thank God, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank God, good morning.
Oga Thank God, you dey there? E be like say the network no gree Oga Thank God to make an important contribution. Oga Eze from Bonny Island been ask say wetin be budget padding, and we don already talk am say when you talk about padding the budget na wetin you draw out say okay na like this I wan do this thing, especially as e get to do with maybe you wan spend money. Now Nigerians, we already know the condition of our country, say all of us don talk and say this country we don too spend money. Wetin we need to do now na to manage when we dey spend money so that we go still fit dey see result. Now they don already talk say this budget say na zero based budgeting. Some people talk say na the envelope one wey me say just cover everything. But from wetin Oga President don talk now, e dey very, very obvious say some people just come talk say truly na 200 naira na we need, but just make am 300 or 400 so that in case anything happen. But in truth, in governance, e suppose dey transparent and open. Nothing like in case e happen. Considering the fact say we don already dey talk say money no dey, and people no trust plenty people wey dey for government, because at most times people wey dey government go talk say see wetin dem wan do, and at the end we no go see am. So now when we don get the opportunity to win back the trust and confidence of Nigerians, everything suppose dey open. Oga President come and talk say im go make our budget dey very, very open. So everybody fit go internet go check am, and Senate also talk am say dem go ensure say everybody chook eye inside. Now e say na why this thing come dey come out, I mean I no be like this e dey. We get one of our ogbonge callers, him dey call us all the way from Abuja, Oga Sonny. Oga Sonny, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, Sonny.
How you dey?
We dey fine.
Out of Okubi.
I dey hear Oga Sonny, I dey hear you.
I dey see una.
Good morning.
I dey hail una proper.
We dey greet you, Oga Sonny.
A good. How una dey?
We dey fine.
Fine.
A good make we dey prepare our soup, make we no forget onion. Now they hear me.
We dey hear.
If we are not dey allow everybody come and tell you they talk rubbish to the president. President of our country is the highest person in the whole country. Make we dey talk through. I know they say everybody just dey come with insult and to go. We dey for this country for long. Now they hear me.
We hear you.
I will see everything where they happen. For the 6 or 7 months when we begin work, we will see how many dollars, billions of dollars, where they don't begin the return. If we no come, that billions of dollars will come back. So make we talk through now.
Very true.
When somebody do, make we the hail and make it they do more.
Very true.
When you say go head go roll, those head never begin the roll. How many directors they don't sack this month? About 46 of them. Make it return now. As in talk, it's not this they do. I don't forget the Baba Buhari. If now before, as in talk, everybody go begin to shit for body now.
Very true. Oga Sonny, thank you very much for this your important contribution. It go good make we emphasize say just like wetin Nkubi talk immediately after that statement come out, we talk and say no be just only say Oga Presido. On top of As E Dey Hot, people they talk the way anything be there for body based on say democracy allow all of us to express ourselves, but we know they allow make person come talk am even if the person na caller or you know even be president, no matter of president, because we dey allow say okay as you dey talk you dey respect the other person because he get your own opinion, you get your own. But we appreciate this your ogbonge advice and we go just close up everything like this. Tell Nigerians say this country belong to all of us. We must all continue to dey talk. I dey think my think, you dey think your think. But we go still join them together so that we go there for center and come look say this country go better for us, it go better for our children, and it go better for those when they come. We know one country when we say children when go born, we come and look say wetin our papa them do during their own time. If we want to make this country good, all of us go join our hand together and move this our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out, plenty smoke. Una know as we do am on Friday, Asaro, join everything together. Nkubi.
Yes, till tomorrow we go come again. From me, we be Nkubi. Now bye bye.
Before we no go come.
If una just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.